I've got a total of 3 items to unbox and they are all from the spring summer collection, so let's go ahead and unbox them. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe, and to those who are new here, a warm welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. This is also a very new channel. It's only 1 month old. On this channel, I share my passion and love for the luxury fashion house Chanel. I'll share my unboxing experiences and bag reviews, tips and try-ons. I hope that you like today's video, and do hit on the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so that I can also have you join me in my next videos. And to those who have seen my last shopping vlog, you know I got some items from that trip as well. It's like, yes, finally 22S is here on the shores of Singapore, and finally I saw and held and tried on the ever famous heart-shaped bags in my hands. Thank you to those who have watched and liked my video, and thank you so much for all your comments that's coming through. And if you haven't seen that shopping vlog, I'll link the video here so that you can check that out too. Today is a work day, but I've taken the day off because my husband's planned a surprise birthday lunch for me. Yes, I'm another year older this weekend, therefore these items are for myself as well. It's a little birthday haul. Yeah, over here as well. And I plan to use these items today, so I thought I should do an unboxing to reveal them so that I can put them on before heading out for lunch. I've got 3 items from that trip, so let's go ahead to unbox them. Let's start off with this one. There is a care card. And it comes in this black fabric bag. I don't have this item, so this is the first of this item that I've got. So, revealing this SLG in this gorgeous shade of candy pink. It's a classic mini pouch, and some people call it the old case, in this shiny grained calfskin leather and gold tone hardware. Isn't this shade of pink pretty? I have another regular sized classic pouch in green, which I have over here, and I've been loving it, and it's so easy to use. It's in caviar or grained leather, and really easy to use. I grab and go and use this all the time, especially during my work days. And when I saw this little beauty in the 22S collection, I was really excited because it's really hard for such SLGs to come by nowadays, especially in Singapore. So I knew I had to get this little thing, even though it was not planned. And I especially love this pop of pink and the shiny grained leather, and my SA said that this little thing just arrived in store. I was at the shop at the right place at the right time, and there was only one in store, and I knew I just had to get it. So moving on to my second item here, this little thing. I've had my eyes set on this since Chanel first reviewed their spring summer pre-collection campaign like months ago, and I was attracted to the rock music and edgy vibes of the campaign. So let's go ahead to unbox this. It comes in this felt bag. This is a true unboxing. Revealing this. Can you see? Revealing these hoop earrings that is so coveted from the Chanel Spring Summer 22P pre-collection, and I finally got my hands on them. It's got the classic Chanel design of the lambskin leather interweave with the gold tone hardware, and it's got this CC logo sitting over here, which I thought it's really cute. It kind of reminds me of like a pair of angels sitting on a crescent moon. Let me put them on and show you how it looks. I love these. I'm just gonna clean the earrings with an alcohol swab before I put them on. This is how they look on me. I really love the cool and rock music and edgy vibes. And this is the first pair of hoop earrings that I've got from Chanel. Yeah, that's my second review. And the tags, it comes in like a little care card. And it says here, Chanel 22P. Earrings, gold and black. Last but not least, let's go on to the third review. Ta-da! This item doesn't come in a box. It comes wrapped very nicely in this tissue paper. I've got something from the ready-to-wear collection. I don't own any other ready-to-wear collection except for a pair of jeans that I got last year, which I'm really loving, and it's really comfy, and I like that it's in bright pink. So let's go ahead to open this up, because this is what I plan to wear with this top for my lunch date with the husband in a while. Revealing this pair of blue jeans with these beautiful printed multicolor Chanel logos all over from the Chanel Spring Summer 22P collection. I really love the printed designs all over the blue jeans. So this is how it looks. So I'm a size 36 and Satyr jeans from the 22P collection. It comes with these two cute pockets on the front, and it's got a zipper over here. And this little button has got an antique finish with the CC logo. And on all of these hardware, it's got the CC logo as well. It's really tiny, but it's right over here. There are no back pockets, and it comes with these hoops over here for your belt. And it's got this really clean straight cut design. And I really was attracted to this printed multicolor Chanel logo, which, look at this. I love logos and I love these colorful prints here. It really makes this item really special. Like, you know, there's a pop of green. There is also pinks and different shade of pinks, and then different kinds of font. and it also says here Coco Chanel. There's purple, there is green, there is black, there's a touch of orange. I love the print. This is definitely something that I didn't mind spending a little bit more for a pair of jeans, and I kind of am expecting it to last me for a little while. And I also like the fact that it's stretchy, so it's very breathable. Let me just go ahead and put this on so that I can show you how it looks like and prepare for my lunch date. This is how they look on me. It sits really nicely, straight cut. It's a little bit like a high cut style. I'm 1.6 meters tall or 5 feet 3 inches, and this fits really nicely on me. I'm wearing my new pair of heels from the Chanel 22P collection as well. I did an unboxing and review of this item, which I'll link it here. And these are really comfortable. I've been wearing them. I would highly recommend these for summer if you can still get your hands on them. I'm wearing this little crop top here, which is from Bonito. I'll link it down in the video as well. And I plan to use my classic Chanel bag today, and this will be my outfit of the day. So that's it for all my review. I'm still hoping and praying for my SA to give me good news with regards to the hard bag that I've set my eyes on. I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and do give me a thumbs up if you do, and click on the subscribe button down below so that I can have you join me in my next video. Bye!